This is a video guide on how to do a inmate search in San Francisco, California. There should be a link in the description. You can click on that. It's going to take you to the San Francisco specific page with local resources, or you could just type californiapublicrecords.org in your browser. It's going to take you to the main page. Hover over other records, select inmate search. It's going to take you to the main California inmate page here, and then just find the appropriate county or city. So we're going to go ahead and do the San Francisco specific search. And if you scroll down, you'll find San Francisco resources. So the police department allows you to do like a manual submission request for records. So you can click on that if that's what you want to do. The sheriff's department, on the other hand, in San Francisco, has a online database. So find a person in jail. If you click on that, it's going to take you to this page, and you just got to have a first name and a last name, and then click go, and it will show you if the person is in the database. Another option you have is the court. Now, everybody that gets arrested and put in the local jail eventually has to see a judge. That creates a public court record, which you can research online. And what's great about court information is they have recent records, but they also have really old records. These records practically never go away. So it's a great database to find information from years ago. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to this page here, and you can search the criminal case index by a first and last name. You can also research bench warrants by name as well. So these are your local resources. Another thing you notice on top here is there's links to different neighboring counties. Now, people do drive around, so they might have a record in a neighboring county. If you want to expand your research a little bit, you can try another county next door as well. The next thing you want to look at is the California statewide resources link. If you click on that, it's going to take you to the main California inmate research page, and so you have all the different counties to choose from. You also have the prison database. This is California Department of Corrections. It's slightly different than the jail database. Typically, if somebody has been a repeat offender, or if it's a felony type record, they'll get a sentence of over 12 months. If you have a sentence that's a little bit longer than 12 months or way longer than 12 months, you're going to go to a state prison. And so that's a completely different database. If you click on that link, you can research by the inmate number, or if you got a last name, just type that in, click go, and it will let you know if there's somebody in the database with that name. Another thing to pay attention to here is the name box, the name search box on top. Now, this is a premium service, so there is a fee. But what it allows you to do is research not just San Francisco or California. This goes outside the state. So it takes records from multiple states, like nationwide type of a search, and it allows you to practically instantaneously figure out if somebody has an arrest or an inmate or a criminal record in another state. Now, these days, people move around quite a bit. So if you want to make sure nothing is missing, this is a great tool to add to your research. Once again, there should be a link in the description. Click on that and come on down and get started on your inmate search in San Francisco, California.